Buttercup shook her feathery
wings and
excitedly
ran in circles around him.
Okay.
She looks, you will cry, cried. Nathan cracked a smile, running his hands over
Buttercup's
soft blue feathers. Right. She does. I am not
scared
of dragons.
Nathan
boasted.
Go. Brag.
And that
case.
In that case
means if what you say is true. In that case,
why don't we
hitch? In that case,
slobber.
Okay, can spell.
S-O-S-L-O-B-B-E-R, slobber.
Okay, the liquid from the mouth, right? Slobber.
Hitch.
Okay. To attach, fasten, connect
something with a
hook. Okay.
Hitch a
trainer
up to a car.
Okay. He hitched
his horse to a
post.
Hitch.
Okay, let me see. Hitch. Why don't we hitch? Oh, hitch. Okay. This is why do we
hitch?
You can spell it.
H-I-T-C-H. Ride back up to the horse house.
Okay.
Will hopped onto Buttercup's back, grabbed Nathan's twist.
No. Okay. What's that?
Hitch.
Attach something to them. Okay.
Wrist.
Okay, spell.
W-R-I-S-T, wrist.
Okay, wrist is here. This wrist. Okay. This part, wrist. Okay. So the winner hopped onto Buttercup's back, grabbed Nathan's
wrist, and pulled him up with her. Are you ready for your first dragon ride, Nathan? Before he could answer, Buttercup the to the air, cry, carrying
Good.
the two of them high above the fog.
Okay. Okay, let's answer some question.
Complete the first part of the table. Choose the text that best describes the story background. Story's background.
Okay.
Nathan and his sister Willa are
Racing.
racing down see the forest. Nathan discovers a blue bat. Willa is in a cold, gloomy
Good.
forest. She is retraining a dragon to do tricks. Nathan and
Willa
are flying on a dragon. They are heading toward a castle in the forest. Nathan and his old sister William are hiking through the forest. Nathan spots a dragon.
Okay, which one?
This one.
Okay.
Summit.
Yeah. Let's read it more. Okay.
Complete the second part of the table. Choose the text that best describes the main problem in the story. Problem. So Nathan is afraid of dragons, but he is
Embarrassed.
Embarrassed to let his sister know. Nathan gets lost in the forest, but he doesn't want to ask the dragon for help. Nathan runs to find his sister, but he trips over something and hurts his leg. Nathan runs from the dragon, but William is captured and carried away.
Okay. So which one?
This one.
Okay.
Summit.
Yeah. Okay.
Solution. Nathan pretends he's not afraid and runs home. Nathan finds a place to hide until the dragon goes away. William
admits. So if he tell you something, okay. Admits. Admit. I did something. Okay, what's that?
Wrist. wrist,
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 Ooh.
wrist,
wrist,
Okay, sped.
WRIST, wrist.
admit,
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 admit. To let inside.
I don't know that. Admit. I think you should have more.
admit,
Admit, admit. He
Admitted.
that he didn't know the answer.
Okay. Say usually say that you accept
Do
or do not deny the truth. Okay.
say that you do not
Deny.
the truth.
Okay. He admitted that he didn't know the answer. Okay.
admit,
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 admit.
Okay, spell.
ADMIT, admit.
Okay. Okay. Rina.
Admits that she's scared of dragons too. Bella helps Nathan see that the dragon is friendly.
Okay. Which one?
This one.
Okay.
Summit.
Yeah.
Summit.
Okay. Okay. Let's finish this one. Okay.
Review the table of the story event elements.
Okay. Okay.
Use the information from the table. Complete a summary
Good.
of the story.
Okay.
A boy named Nathan.
Okay.
He is hiking through the forest.
Spots.
A dragon is afraid of dragons. Show Nathan that the dragon is friendly. A boy named Nathan.
Yeah. Okay.
This one.
Okay. Yeah.
This one.
Okay.
This spot.
No. Let's read it one by one. Okay. A boy named Nathan is hiking through the forest
with his older sister. Will suddenly Nathan
what?
spots a dragon.
Okay. Spots a dragon. Let's keep going.
It's a dragon. Nathan doesn't want his sister to know that he
What?
is afraid of dragons.
Okay.
This one.
Okay. Okay.
Afraid of dragons.
Okay. Yeah.
Show
Yeah. Put
Nathan
it in
that
the place.
the dragon is friendly.
Okay.
Summit.
Let's read it. Okay. Let's just need.
A boy named Nathan is hiking through the forest with his older sister Willa. Suddenly, Nathan spots a dragon. Nathan doesn't want his sister to know that he is afraid of dragons, so he tries to hide his fear. However, William can't tell that Nathan is afraid. In the end, Willa shows Nathan that the dragon is friendly.
Yeah, okay.
Summit.
Okay. Good. Okay, that's it. Okay.